Hello guys, dito sa House of Franchise, may Siomai King Food Cart Franchise Business. Dito, umorder ka ng siomai, kaya sila hari ng siomai kasi they serve 5 pieces of siomai. At ito nga, natikman ko na ang first bite of siomai. It was really tasty, meaty, and juicy. Kasi nga, no extender, kaya masarap siya. Kaya tingnan mo naman, 60 kang laman at tama ang sukat bawat siomai. At ito na nga, this is my second bite of siomai. It was really delicious. Talagang mapapaulit ka. At alam mo ba, masarap na ang siomai, pero mas masarap kung kumikita ka kahit nasa bahay ka lang. At ito ay ang Siomai King online dropshipping business. At once sa franchisee ka na, ang company ay bibigyan ka ng food business na website ng Siomai King. Ikaw ay kikita ng 20% sa lahat ng mga online orders mo. At pwede ka rin maging community franchise business that you can sell the siomai and siopaw products sa iyong community places. So if you are looking for an extra income at gusto mo magkaroon ng good opportunity, ba't hindi mo subukan ang Siomai King online dropshipping business? Message me for more details.
Order now in my Shopee.